When talking of performance, whole thing starts from the engine, which is the heart of any machine. The pulse of heart can only be felt by the sound it creates. And yes, as promised by Honda, the long-stroke engine of Highness CB350 creates the roaring thump, but the same is limited to second and the third gear. For many, the sound of the engine grunt is quite engaging, as routine city riding is restricted to lower gears. However, as you shift from third to fourth and the fifth gear, engine RPM drops while struggling to maintain the same torquey performance which is experienced in the third gear. Some cars are famous for an overdrive gear, which increases fuel mileage without revving the engine and are used only on flat roads. Overdrive gears are not meant for twisty roads or the hills. Maybe the fifth gear on Honda CB350 is an overdrive. This is also the reason Honda engine feels quite good without any vibrations, and the same feel is improved further by a very soft clutch. So yes, the CB350 engine is quite refined. The third gear on CB350 is so good that it crosses the mark of 100 km within a few seconds. And the majority of riders may not feel the requirement to go beyond the speed. However, when on open road, this lack of punchy ride can be felt very clearly. While riding on single roads, one has to shift to third gear to overtake, as downshifting from fifth to fourth may not really help. So when in traffic, one has to ride in third gear to keep that margin of extra power which is required to get away from a tricky situation. When riding on hills, one will mostly be restricted to the second or the third gear. Also, in the long run, the fifth gear may not be used that much. If you see any other motorcycle, including the Royal Enfield Meteor or the Java, they all produce a very linear power so as to use every gear to its full potential without requiring many gear changes. In my opinion, Honda has a bigger surprise for all of us, as this CB350 engine has the engine oil cooling ports. Therefore, when the most discussed CB500 or CB350 Cafe Racer are launched, maybe the same engine can be upgraded to provide that extra punch, which is certainly missed by some riders. It looks like other models will be launched soon to create an attractive lineup of Honda motorcycles up to 500cc category. This will also give a big boost to all newly launched Honda Big Wing dealerships. So let's wait and watch to see what surprises we have from Honda in 2021. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section and I will try to answer them as early as possible. Jai Hind and ride safe.